What is this?
Slime.
Alright, I'm gonna open the other one.
Slime.
Can you put? Ooh. Ooh.
I did my wrecking ball.
What? Again.
I did the wrecking ball.
Oh,
Where did you get that wrecking ball, huh? From Miley Cyrus? Huh? Where did you hear that?
I did the wrecking ball.
You should be wrecking ball, right? What did I say?
Right, okay, so I'm gonna open the other
Wow!
one.
I did the
Slime,
wrecking ball.
right? Aiden, can I touch it, please? Can I touch it? Okay. Show Mama. Show Mama if it's sticky. Is it sticky?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. But it's
No.
Oh! What happened? I broke it. Sorry.
You put it back on.
Alright, so
Oh.
it's like a, as it says, it's a putty. It's like rubbery, very soft rubbery thing that you can mold like a clay. Oh, look at that! Look at what Aiden is doing. Aiden, show it to the camera. Aiden.
It's like a ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, look.
It's
Can you
bouncing.
put it on the table? So it says jumping putty and it does bounce. Look at that. Aiden, what are you doing? It's like a smart. Oh no!
Daddy, wrecking ball.
It's really bouncing.
Boing, boing.
So, look Aiden. So you can form it like a bowl and then
Daddy,
oh,
wrecking ball.
All of them.
Oh! Daddy, wrecking
like a
ball.
snap. Aiden.
Daddy.
Look Aiden. What is this? It's like a snot. Comes from your nose. Look, it's green. Ah,
Yucky, both of you.
look. But look guys. See? So it really does bounce. It's like a rubber thing.
Boing. Oh,
Oh.
I just found something. You hit it like this. Boing. Ooga.
Alright guys, so
Let's open the next one.
Is it already hard now?
Wrecking ball.
I think you guys still using some
Alright,
water.
so
Maybe
let's-
some more water.
Extra still.
does it need more water?
The bag.
I guess so.
Alright, okay, so let's just put some more water.
Water.
I don't know, I guess it's enough, but alright, so we got the hippopotamus, we get the bouncing putty or the jumping putty, and we have the last piece inside the bag. Aiden. So the third one is, what is this? Let's try it.
It's like now. It's forming like a gel now.
Yeah, but I think we put too much water.
Is it?
Alright guys, so let's check what is inside. Oh, it's, I think, same stuff as this. Should be, but it's like finer grains than the other one. Anyway, so the idea is to put everything on this container. Alright, and just pour water on it. I'm just gonna put everything on the container now. Now you wanna help? Alright. So I put the what color is that first?
Pink.
This one. No, the one inside.
Blue.
No.
Purple.
Good. Yes. Now put this one. What color is that?
Blue.
No.
Red.
Could be. Alright. And this one? What color is this?
Orange.
Orange. Yeah, alright. Put it. Okay. Next.
Red.
Red. Next.
Orange.
Orange. And the last one.
Blue.
Blue. Oops. Okay. Now, put the water. More.
Ooh, it's changing water.
More.
Woo!
More.
This is like Coke. Like a bottle.
I think we're gonna make a mess.
Ooh, it's just like slime.
Oh, look at that.
It's like
So
slime.
it just expand. Isn't this the one that they put on the... But you see, it didn't reach at the bottom. I think we need more water.
Yeah.
Aiden, get more water.
Get some more water. Come on, go.
No.
Go on, get some water.
No.
Yes,
Come on,
Yeah.
more water.
No.
Yes.
That's enough.
No, it's not.
Go.
That's enough.
It's supposed to expand.
That's enough.
So it's like a gel, right?
It's very fine one, huh?
So,
Thank
you
you.
want to put more water?
Auntie,
Slowly only.
Get tissue, please. Aiden, tissue is down.
Auntie, no.
Later. So let's put more water inside. Look at that, Aiden. It's not going.
It's just like
It's not going at the bottom anymore. It just stays there.
Aiden, don't do that.
It just feel. It turned to ice. Ice cold. Like a bottle.
Alright, so maybe we get some plate.
Okay. Hard? Ooh, it's hard. It's hard. It's hard. And it's sticky.
Wow, yeah, it's sticky.
Look.
Alright, guys. So I think we're gonna put it on the bowl,
It's hard now.
and we're gonna keep pouring the water.
Ooh, I
Keep
guess.
pouring it.
Ooh, it's working.
Whoa! You see, don't do it too much.
Ooh, I
It has to
like.
go slowly at the bottom. Look at that. So what are we gonna do?
We're
Aiden.
gonna mix it.
We're gonna mix it?
Yeah.
Maybe we can pull it out. Yeah. Let's pull it out. Here we go. More. We should have put everything at once. Huh, Aiden? Maybe we should have put only some, maybe 3.
Oh, it worked.
Wow.
Ooh, just like jelly. Let me-
Guys, so this is the 3rd container of water that we are pouring, and we are putting more of the water.
We're out of water.
We're out of water. I don't think
It will expand.
yeah, but it does expand, but I think it's just we put too much of the stuff.
But it's like really snow, right?
It is like it's like snow.
My hand is injured.
Injured?
Yeah.
Why it was injured?
It's yellow.
Yellow.
Daddy has it. Look, just like the same.
No, but this one is hard one. This is soft. It's like snow.
And then my
Ah, more water.
No, let me try.
Put here more.
We have the water.
I think it's okay.
It's enough. You put too much. It's more like a snowballs. Snow. The one that you.
Snowflakes?
Yeah.
Snowman?
What?
Alright guys, so we created, I think we made some kind of snow here. Right, but it's just like, it's more like a gelatin stuff, which Aiden is now squishing it. Alright, so
What's the smell?
let's
There's no smell.
let's check the, we're
Aiden,
making a mess
careful.
now here guys, but I think it's fine. Alright guys, so time to check the hippopotamus. Right? It's I think it's hard enough now. What?
Yeah.
Okay. So just have to be very careful in removing it. Hopefully, let's see if I can just. I think, but the idea is, you know, you got to have this kind of gelatin-like shape of an animal in rainbow colors. Okay. But apparently, my experiment didn't go too well. All right, guys. So don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, and see you on our next video. Bye bye.
Ball slap.
What?
Slap in the water. No.